Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's question is sort colors. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We solve a lot of interview questions on this channel and that can definitely help you with your interview. The question says, given an array of n objects, colored red, white or blue, sort them in place so that objects of same color are adjacent, with the colors in the order red, white and blue. Here, we will use integers 0, 1, 2 to represent the colors red, white and blue respectively. We are going with a note. You are not supposed to use library sort function for this problem. And if you look at example, we are again with this array and our output should look like in this sorted format. So let's move on to pen and paper. Let's see how we can solve this question. After that, we will see the code. So the question is saying we need to convert this array into this array. And what we are simply doing here is we are just sorting the array, or you can say we are sorting the color, as 0 represent red, 1 represent white and 2 represent blue. We just need to sort the colors. So the easiest way is we will use inbuilt sort, and when we will use inbuilt sort, I can simply and easily get my this solution, and the solution will be in n log n. But the question is asking that we can't use inbuilt sort function. So what is the another way? The another way is I will count the number of zeros, number of ones and number of twos. Then I will take another array and I will insert the zeros, 1 and 2s according to their count. But again, that will take extra space. Question is asking, is there any way we can do it in one pass without using any extra space? And the answer is yes. How? So let's see that. If you look at output array, you will find we are dividing the solution in three parts. One is red, one is white and one is blue. And if I say that I can put red and blue at its correct position, that means white will automatically come at its correct position. So what we can do to bring red and blue at its correct position? So for that, I will take two pointers. One is left, one is right. And I will take a current pointer which will traverse the whole given array. And whenever the value of current is equal to 0, I will swap the value with left pointer if value is equal to 0. But if value is equal to 2, then I will swap value at current with right. And in this scenario, when I will fix left and right, my white will automatically come at its correct position. So let's see it with example. So we have 2 0 2 1 1 0. So I took my left pointer, my right pointer and my current pointer. So I will check my value at current, and my value at current is equal to 2. As I said before, whenever value is equal to 2, I will swap it with value at right. So I will swap, and after swapping these two numbers, my array will look like this. And as I have fixed one position of right, I will move my right pointer and I will move my right to the left. So my right will come here. I have my left here and I have my current here. And why I haven't moved left and current? Because I haven't fixed my left yet. Until and unless I don't fix my left, I will not going to move my current. So let's again compare. So again we will check the value of current, and the value of current is equal to 0. And whenever the value of current is equal to 0, we will swap the value of current with left. And in this case, after swapping, the array remains same. Now when we have fixed our first left, so we will move our left to right by 1. So now my left will come here and my current will also come here. Now again I will check the value of current, and the value of current is 0. So again, if the value of current is equal to 0, we will swap it with left. So again, as left is also at 0, so after swapping, result remains the same. So I will move my left hand current to the right. So my current and left will come at 2 now. Again I will check the value of current, and the value of current is equal to 2. That means we will swap it with right. Now after swapping, my array will look like this. And as we have swapped right, we will move the right to the left. So my right will come here, my left is here, and my current is here. And we will perform this operation till the time current is less than equal to right. And as if I will move my current, as my right is in the next of current, that means we will stop here. And you will find when we will stop, we have converted our array into sorted form, and in such a sorted form that all the same color are adjacent. So this was the way we can solve this question. So let's move on to the coding part and let's see what is the code for this problem. So let's see the code. At line number 3, 4 and 5, I defined my 3 pointers: left, current and right. Left hand current will point at index 0 and right will point at last index. And till the time my current is less than equal to right, I am performing 2 tasks. And those 2 tasks are: if the value at current is equal to 0, we will swap it with the value at left. And whenever we are swapping the value with left, we are increasing the pointer of left and current. And if the value of current is equal to 2, then we are swapping the value of current with value at right. And whenever we are swapping with right, we are reducing the value of right by 1. And if the value of current is not equal to 0 and not equal to 2, then we don't have to do anything. We will just increase our current pointer by 1. So this was the code. So let's check whether it works or not. So here I submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the solution for this problem. You can find the code in the description below. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.